Should I be using Pinterest? As a business owner, if this thought has ever run through your mind, I am here to help you make that decision. Now, this is a question that lands into my inbox on a regular basis. Megan, should I be using Pinterest for my business? I'm really not sure if Pinterest is the right place for me. In fact, this is an exact question that I got. Pinterest has never been on my radar. Do you think it'd be a win for my type of business? So if you're new here, my name is Megan. I'm a Pinterest marketing expert, and I am obsessed with teaching you how to grow your online business. My deep level of expertise lives in the Pinterest marketing world. So I have been helping business owners, creators, and brands just like you for over 10 years. But I really fell in love with Pinterest when I was a blogger way back when Pinterest first came out. I went viral, and the rest was history. Should you be using Pinterest? Here's the thing. A lot of people want to start that conversation by saying, this is the type of business I have. Should I be using Pinterest? Is it a great place for me and my products or my services or even my art or my books? If it can be mentioned, I've been asked it. What I do want to say is we need to have a reframe here. It's not really about the type of business you have or what you sell. It's actually more about the content that you are putting out there to promote your business. So let me take a few steps back and explain exactly what I mean. Pinterest is a solutions-focused platform. The users that are heading there have a different user intent than your potential customers, email subscribers, readers, followers from other platforms. They are expecting the people or pins that they discover on the platform to lead to content that is hosted elsewhere. So by this, I mean a blog post, a landing page. It could be taking them to a podcast or a longer format video, but essentially, Pinterest users go to the platform with the intent that they know they'll get a little bit on the platform, but then they're going to be taken off-site to something that provides more context and information. And this is really powerful and really amazing for you as a business owner. But obviously, only if you are a business owner who's invested in creating content for your business. So that is where my big reframe comes from, by helping thousands of business owners just like you. It's not about your niche or your industry. It's about your content marketing plan and the type of content that you are creating for Pinterest. Now, I've shared in other videos, and I'll link them below, about the types of content that do well on Pinterest. But I just want to quickly summarize some of those types of content. Now, if you're watching this, I want to remind you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, as well as I'd love to hear what niche or industry you are in and what you're doing to promote your business or what you're doing to promote the content that you create. And that will allow me to really understand future videos that I can create to support you. So there's different things or types of media that you can be sharing to Pinterest, to post to Pinterest, that will help you grow on the platform. Traditionally, we most often think about images. So we call these standard pins. You often will probably think about like the standard Pinterest graphic that's an image with text overlay, or it's a collage with text overlay. Then we also can do things like product pins, carousel pins, and video pins. What we like to think about is, what are you creating? So this is the question I want you to ask yourself. What other content are you creating to promote your business on other social media or marketing platforms or channels? Are you creating written content? So LinkedIn, Threads, Twitter, X. Are you creating short form video? TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, you name it. Are you creating audio content? Maybe you're on Discord. Maybe you have a private podcast. Are you creating long format video like YouTube videos? All of these become potential vehicles for you to promote your products, your services, your creative business on Pinterest. So I'm going to wrap up this video to say to you that my homework for you is to think about, do you have enough content to drive growth and discoverability on Pinterest? And if the answer is yes, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more and more tutorials to help you get discovered and seen on my favorite platform, Pinterest, the original visual discovery engine.